Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about nested subqueries. Here we have employee table, e-name, sal, and the names of the employee and salary. First of all, I want to discuss with the query. Write a query to display the first maximum salary or the maximum salary from the employee. Suppose we want to know about the maximum salary. So we can use a select a max of sal from EMP so that we can get the maximum salary from the employee. Here the 5000 is the maximum salary. Suppose write a query to display the second maximum salary from employee table. Here we want a second maximum salary. So here the 5000 is the first maximum salary and a second maximum salary is 3000 uh, which is less than all other than. So select a max of sal. Suppose here we can get a select a max of sal from EMP. Sub in a subqueries, the inner subquery is is run. After that only the outer outer query will be executed. So here select a max of sal from EMP. From this we can get the maximum salary of the employee table. So here 5000, it will give the output as 5000. And then here select a max of sal from EMP where sal less than this 5000. So here we will get the output of 5000. 5000 is less than 2000, true. 1000 true, 1500 true, 1300 3000 true. So here we will get the and 5000 is not taken because it is not less than. So from this 2000, the maximum is will be used displayed. So max of sal, in this the maximum is 3000. So second maximum will be generated. And write a query to display the third maximum salary from employee table. So here we want to know about the third maximum salary. So first of all, select max of sal from EMP. So select max of sal from EMP where sal. Here we will get the output as 5000. After that it will be less than, so we will get as 3000. And select max of sal from EMP where salary less than. So here the output will be 5000. 5000 is less than, here we will get the output as 3000, and here we will get the output as 2000. So the displayed output will be the third maximum salary is 2000. So nested subquery, it is the query which is a query which is inside written inside another query. So nested subquery, a subquery written inside another subquery is known as nested subquery. So here we will get the written one query which is written inside another subquery. So note, to find nth maximum or nth minimum salary, we will write n minus 1 subqueries. So it is the innermost subquery, it is the inner subquery, and it is the outer subquery. And here we will have the outer subquery. So suppose we want to find nth maximum or nth minimum salary. So here the queries are n queries, but we have the n minus 1 subqueries. So it is written inside another it. So here it is 1, here 2, 3. Total we have 3 queries, but inner subqueries are only 2 because written inside 1, 2. Write a query to display first minimum salary. So here we want to display about first minimum salary. Select min of sal from EMP. Write a query to display second minimum salary. So select minimum salary from EMP. Here we will get the first minimum salary. Then select minimum salary from EMP where salary. So here if you get the salary as 1000. So after that after this, which one is greater than? So that greater than salary will be displayed. Write a query to display third minimum salary. Here we will get the first minimum salary, then here second minimum salary, then we will get the third minimum salary. Now write a query to display the employee name who is earning second maximum salary from employee. So here we will get the Answer as select max of sal from EMP. Here we will get the first maximum salary. Select max of sal from EMP where salary less than. So here we will get the second maximum salary. So here we want to know about the employee name. So select E name to display E name. Select E name from EMP where salary in. For example, here the lesser is 1000, maximum is 5000, and we will get after the second maximum salary as 3000, and employee name. Here we will get the 3000 in salary. Who is having 3000 salary is Laila. So here we will get the name as Laila. Write a query to display department name of an employee getting second maximum salary. So here we want to know about the department name. So in a employee table we don't have department name. So we are discussing how to get it. Select max of sal from EMP. Here we will get the maximum salary. Then select max of sal from EMP where salary less than. Here we will get the second maximum salary, and it is present in department table. So select and in a department table and employee table, the common attribute is department number. According to second rule, second case, when we have in second case, when we have two tables, data present in two tables, the minimum requirement is there is same column in the in two tables. So here we will get the select a D name from department where department in. Suppose here maximum salary is 5000, 3000, and 3000 department, we will get the department number. Suppose two department number. So it will be check in the department table, which who is having department number as 2, and it will be present with the department name. It is displayed with the department name. Another query, write a query to display details of the employee who has hired second. So here we want to know about the hire date of the details of the employee. Hire date is second. So in this, if the first hired means we will get the minimum number. Then second means somewhat greater than. After it will be increased. So here we will get the select minimum hire date. So here we want to know about the first. Here we will get the first hired. First hired means the number will be less. The date will be less. So select the minimum of hire date from EMP. Here we will get the minimum salary. Then second minimum of hire date from EMP where hire date greater than. So it will be the minimum. The second minimum is the second minimum will be displayed in this in the hide data. So I have kept a greater than symbol. So I want to know about the details of the employee who has had a second. So select a hashtag from EMP where hide date in, so that the minimum second hide data will be taken in this, and the details of that employee will be displayed. Write a query to display name of the employee hired before the last employee. So here select max of hire date from EMP. So here we want a last employee hired before the last employee. So here we want the suppose last employee has a maximum date. So select max of hire date from EMP. Here we will get the maximum hire date. After that second highest hire date is select max of hire date from EMP where hire date less than. So here we will get the maximum hire date. Then after that, which is higher, it will be high, which will be given here. After that, we want to know about the name. So select e name from EMP where hire date in, so that we will get the name of the employee who is having the second last employee before the last employee. hide before last employee. Write a query to display location of the employee who has hide first. Here we want to here we here we want to have the select hide first. So select min of hide date from EMP, and it is not in the employee table. So here we want to write as in select location from department, where department number in select department number from EMP, so that it is present in the employee table, where hire date in, so that we will get the here we will get the minimum hire date, and here we will get the hire date which is present in employee table, the department number. The department number in the department table, the department number is a common column in both employee table and department number. So I am using the department number, so that here we will get the first hired data, first hired employee department number, so that here from department number we will get the location of that employee. Write a query to display details of the employee ending seventh minimum salary. So we have to find the seventh minimum salary. So select min of sal from EMP. Here we will get the first minimum salary greater than, select min of sal from EMP where salary. Here we will get the second minimum salary. So third minimum salary, fourth, fifth, sixth, and here the seventh. So here, up to here we will get the seventh minimum salary, so that we want to display the details. So select a asterisk from EMP where salary. Here the seventh employee details will be seventh minimum salary employee details will be displayed. Here I am discussing about employee manager relationship. Suppose we have a table of employee table, employee number, e name, MGR. Suppose we want to know about the write a query to display the manager name of Dhoni. So here we want to know about the Dhoni's manager number. MGR is manager reporting number. So Dhoni is reporting to manager number 2, who is having employee number as 2 is so that he is reporting to him. So employee number 2 is Siraj. Suppose we want to know about Siraj, who is reporting to Siraj is reporting to who? Then Siraj is having a 4, so that it will have the Virat. So that the Virat having the MGR, he is reporting to MGR number 5. So that employee who is having 5 is Chahal. So here we want to know about the Dhoni, who is Dhoni reporting to whom? MGR number is 2. So that the employee number is the employee number of 2 is employee name of employee number having 2 is Siraj. So here we are having select MGR from EMP where E name equals to Dhoni. So that MGR number of Dhoni will be displayed. So the Dhoni MGR number is 2. After that we want to compare within the employee number. So select E name from EMP where employee number. So employee number in, so that 2 is having in the employee number, it will be searched. 2 is not equal to 1, 2 is equal to 2. So it is there. So 2 will be taken and the employee name will be taken. So here we have the Siraj. Write a query to display the manager name of the Virat. Here we want to know about the Virat manager. So select MGR from EMP where E name equals to Virat. So that here we will get the Virat manager number, and we want to know about the manager name. So select E name as a MGR name. So here I am using alias from EMP where employee number in. So that MGR number is so if you are having the MGR number as a 5, so it will be employee number who is having a 5, it will be displayed. Write a query to display the employee name who is reporting the Chahal. Here I am discussing about who is reporting to Chahal. Means if Dhoni is reporting to Siraj, then here is asking that who is reporting to Chahal only. So how to know about who is reporting to Chahal? So here we can know about select employee number from EMP where e name is equals to Chahal. So who is having the employee number as a employee number of Chahal. So here Chahal will have the 5 as an employee number, so that it will be who is report in MGR. We will search in that MGR who is having the number as 5. So select e name from EMP where MGR in, so that who is having the 5, so that their names will be displayed, so they are reporting to Chahal as 5. It is known as employee manager relationship. It is a basic in functional dependency and normalization also. Write a query to display the manager name of Dhoni. Here I am not asking about Dhoni's manager name. I am asking about Dhoni's manager's name. So here we want about nested subquery. We will use about a nested subqueries. So here I am having select MGR from EMP where E name equals to Dhoni. Here we will get the MGR of Dhoni. Dhoni is having 2. So that select MGR from EMP where employee number in. Here we search in the employee number who is having MGR number 2. So that will be displayed. So that MGR of that person will be displayed. Here we will get that 4. After that select E name. I want about E name. So manager's name. So select E name from EMP where employee number in, so that we will get the uh, employee number who is having MGR number, employee number who is having E name, employee number employee number who is having 4 will be display name is whose name will be displayed. Write a query to display Smith's manager's name. So I am asking about Smith's manager's name. So select E name, MGR name from EMP where employee number from employee number in, select MGR from EMP where E name equals to Smith. So here we will get the MGR of Smith's MGR manager reporting number. It will be compared in the employee number column. If it is matching, his name will be displayed. Write a query to display manager name of Allen. Here I am asking about manager name, Allen's manager name. So select MGR from EMP where E name equals to Allen. Here we will get the manager reporting number. It will be search in the employee number. Select E name, MGR name from EMP where employee number in. Here I want to know about salary of Adam's manager. So select MGR from EMP where E name equals to Adams. So I will get the Adams MGR number. It will be compared in the employee number. Select sal. I am using alias MGR sal from EMP where employee number in. It will be search in the who is having the MGR number matches with the employee number, their employee salary will be displayed. Write a query to display name of the employees reporting to Blake. Here I want to know about reporting to Blake. Suppose we are reporting to, if we find the reporting to, then who is reporting to whom? Blake is somebody is reporting to Blake only. So here we will find the select employee number from EMP where E name equals to Blake. So Blake is the here we reporting who are reporting to Blake. So select employee number who is having the MGR as employee number. They are reporting to Blake. So select E name, MGR name from EMP where MGR in. Here I am using alias. MGR the reporting number. Who is having the employee number as MGR? they are reporting to Blake. Write a query to display Adam's manager's manager name. So select MGR from EMP where E name equals to Adams. Here we will get the MGR name number of Adams. So that select MGR from EMP where employee number in. So that we will I will get the Adams manager MGR manager reporting number. So that I want to know about the manager's employee name. So in the employee number who is matching same with the MGR, their name will be displayed. Select e name MGR as alias I am using from EMP where employee number in. So that I will get the here I will get the MGR number of Adams. After that here I will get the Adams manager employee MGR Adams MGR. Here we'll get the MGR number of here we'll suppose we are getting Adams manager number as 5. After that here who is reporting to, if he is reporting to suppose 4, then he will be displayed. So that it will be checked in the employee number who is having 4, there will be their name will be displayed. Thank you.